Hi, my name is Cheryl Edison, and I'm speaking to you today from my living room in San Francisco, California, also known as Silicon Valley, California. Today, I'm going to be speaking to you about a gift that I received during a recent trip to Pakistan. It's a gift from a guy named Rashid Sutta from Sutta Cloth Center. Now I'm going to show you what's in this bag. The first thing I saw when I received this bag was that there was this thing here that I didn't know what it was. And here's what it is. This is an entire package full of bracelets. Each one of these little stripes is a bracelet. They're green bracelets, and over here, there are white ones. And you see, it's all very well packaged so that I was able to bring it home and it didn't break. Soon I'll open this and I'll wear it, I'm sure, with what I'm going to show you is in the rest of this bag. Here we have this piece of cloth. When I look at this cloth, what I'm immediately struck by is how beautiful this fabric is. Look how luxurious this fabric is. Amazing, right? And there's so much of it. It's very fine fabric. Look. Then I saw there was another piece of fabric. But look at how this one is. It has this design, and then it has these lovely fringes at the bottom. And finally, this one. Look at this. It's all very finely woven. I'm delighted at receiving this gift from Sutta. They have locations apparently in Asif and Kashif. I'm going to hold this up so that you can see the locations. Thanks again to Sutta for these lovely gifts. I look forward to using them in the coming days. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.